Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. It is certainly appropriate that we name it, but we go on thinking about the inconceivable. In the mandala of the sky that is the basis for all things, a mandala of self-originating light beams forth. It liberates the 6 classes of living things into the heart of enlightenment. It cleanses samsara, which is primordially pure. However things may appear, it is the play of wisdom. However things may appear, it is truly all good. We are not attached, we are not in need. This is great bliss. This is the transmission of the bodhicitta. Through hunting for a long time, what do we find? In the dominion of the Dharma, which is not to be found, we are suddenly at the heart of enlightenment. Through our searching, the self-originating touches upon itself. In the infinite palace of self-luminous wisdom, there is the clear light of 100,000 suns. A samsara of ignorance has never existed, but it is also a self-originating purity. In the great eternity that is from the primordial, who will attribute there to be a duality of birth and death? Since the beginning, great emptiness has been supreme, but to advocate emptiness is a pathway of deviation. Who has determined that there are causes and conditions for primordial self-originating wisdom? Our true purpose is self-originating. It has no birth or death. When we do not understand that there is no joining or parting, we use words that are our reverted ideas as our predominant method, and we exaggerate our lack of any birth or death, while our intellects follow after the sounds of our reverted ideas, and we proclaim that there has been no virtue or evil. Since the primordial, when we place blame, we fall into a great hell. One who practices having nothing to accept or reject is himself great in his accepting and rejecting things. When we deliberately act to accept and reject things, this is the great obstacle of our having fallen into reversion. For one who understands the meaning of thusness, reverted practices become the path to enlightenment. We are finished.